The Bible speaks of manna from heaven. Old Testament compared to what's being showered on Celebration Church.
You're going to see it. It's nuts.
Lisa Lundstrom oversees the church finances
It's breathtaking.
and learned late last year that Dennis Erickson, their longtime usher,
That's his ashes right behind you.
had willed to the church his home. Simple enough, she thought,
Yep.
until Lisa went inside.
Buick, Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford. This is just the beginning.
Cars in the kitchen.
I know.
In the hallway.
And there's more here.
In the laundry room.
We were in the bathroom.
Cars. In the carpet and the rafters.
Literally, it's floor to ceiling, every single room.
If there was space available,
This is a bed.
Dennis parked a car on it.
This is the bed.
Lisa has learned much the past few weeks about the engineer who started this at the age of 9.
Every single little car.
Then kept going.
That's a 59 Edsel. This is a 66 Rambler. We just kept putting cars
Until the count
and cars
had reached
and more cars.
more than 30,000.
This is one of the largest collections in the entire world, right here.
Scouring antique shops, car shows, and the internet, Dennis amassed the equivalent of a car for every day of his life.
This was his bedroom.
69 years into which he fell asleep and didn't wake up. An only child with no wife and no children.
He didn't have family to put a funeral together for him. We did it as the church because he was our family.
A family now celebrating the passion of a man
1957 DeSoto.
who saved and cataloged thousands of automotive brochures
Just I mean, look at that catalog.
and meticulously logged his every car
Added canned STP.
encounter.
Put Armor All on inside of rear tires. He took better care of these little cars than some people take care of people in their lives.
And then Dennis covered that base
Yeah,
too.
78, I believe, is when about time we met.
Glenn Lindale once shared a memorable road trip in Dennis's 77 Bonneville.
And I get to sign this title over.
Dennis's wish
And even the brochure,
fulfilled
it's really a surprise.
that the Bonneville go home with Glenn.
But I thank him for it very much.
The rest of the collection will be sold, though how exactly is a work
Cars.
in progress. If Lisa's right, it should fetch for the church well into 6 figures.
But what he left more than this, which is amazing, is how people felt about him.
Lisa prays Dennis Erickson's heavenly home is also
Yeah.
a house of cars. Boyd Huppert, KARE 11 News, Eagan.